to make sure that they have a better Philippines.
In giving me the authority and the trust, He provided me with a wide range of discretion, following two standards. Ang sabi ni Presidente, Art, make the Filipino life comfortable and convenient. Art, in making the Filipino life comfortable and convenient, be sure you follow good governance, no corruption. Yun ang binigay niya. Sabi nila, I'm one of the President's men. I take pride in being referred to as the President's man. Mr. President, if you're listening to me, kaklase kita, I will take a bullet for you because kilala kita.
Marami ang nagkaroon ng trabaho kahit na panahon ng pandemya.
PBB is 6.5 million workers. And these 6.5 million workers are able to deliver these infrastructure projects. A lot of people are asking, bakit maraming nade-deliver na project sa BBB kahit na pandemic? Because we were the first one to do a construction bubble. And that's why we know the sacrifices of our construction workers. Because hindi sila nakakauwi sa mga pamilya nila until matapos yung project. It follows the same format as an NBA bubble. It's just that here, we construct instead of playing basketball. So everyone was tested before they enter the bubble. We know exactly where they are. They are housed in barracks. We know the schedule of the workers. And now we're able to hire more. Because if dati, yung operation schedule natin is 12 hours or 9 hours, now we're doing a 24-hour time schedule para mahabol natin yung mga projects natin. Which also means we've multiplied the factor of construction workers in the sites by 3. And that's, I think, the most important at this stage. Of course, there's a delay because for 3 months we were not able to do any kind of construction. But we were happy about it. We saw it as a silver lining. Na finally, we're able to hire more workers. Because at the time, there were so many workers coming from the Middle East. Bumalik sila dito and they're looking for jobs. So what BBB did was to maximize the current workforce to ensure that the construction workers coming from abroad is hired in the Philippines. So marami po tayong OFW. Maybe they don't get the same salary as that they did abroad, but at least may trabaho po dito. And I think some of the workers may sense of pride that they're finally back in the Philippines and they're bringing in their knowledge and their skills back into the country.
Marami mang hinarap na hamon ang administrasyon ni Pangulong Duterte sa mga programa ng infrastruktura. Hindi may kakaila ang infrastructure boom sa bansa at ang pagkakaroon ng trabaho ng milyong-milyong Pilipino sa kabila ng COVID-19.
It is easier to build from scratch than to dismantle the rotten and rebuild upon its rubble. Nevertheless, let us work together and lay a new foundation upon which a better Philippines.
Talaga nagpasalamat kami kang ating presidente kasi tinulungan kami nila na hindi na kami mamahirapan. Talagang malaki ang tinulong sa amin. Itong kuryente, natanggap na namin, mga bahay namin may ilaw na. May tubig pa kami, dating na sa bahay. Ano pang hanahapi namin sa gobyerno? Talagang masaya kami.
Yan na ngayon, pasalamatan day, aragya pasalamat tayo din na tungod hutulay. Ay nailaki President, dini ta makabundol, bisan hura dini si President Duterte, ba ima na amin ang tulay dini, isip gyapon na naha day gyapon si Digong Duterte personal katungod sa tulay din iya. Ariyan man imalaag mata day. Pirmi day man mga kadaan law mahaday. Pagkapulosan day pa latay kayo man doon. Yan ang pasalamatan day aragi hari day yan malipatan bisan kan matay kayan lang sa mga IPs din ita danatag. Hari ini malipatan sa tulay din niya nakaugsak ang manintayan.
Totoo lang kung hindi pa na presidente si Duterte, iwan ko kung matapos pa to, pero pag siya na ang presidente, lumabas yung project na hindi namin alam na matapos tong tulay na siya ang presidente na ngayon. Sa totoo lang. Sobrang masaya. Sino na bang hindi masaya na ito, natapos na ang tulay. Pag pumunta kami sa area namin doon sa Tabuk, pag mayroon kaming itanim, makukuha na namin ng maayos, hindi na kami mahirapan sa ilog tumawid. Sobrang saya talaga. Pasalamat po talaga sa Pangulong Duterte. Inayos niya to. Salamat talaga.